I am the Pantanal. In me, the richness of thousands of plants and animals find shelter. In me, earth, water, and air understand each other, complete each other. Diversity, balance, life. In me, Caiman finds a home with meaning and history, harmony and purpose. And at Caiman, I find refuge. But even refuges may be threatened. In 2019, a wildfire surrounded Caiman, and with its power, crossed the river, claiming our lands. Grasslands and forests burned, a sanctuary in flames. Caiman fought fire head to head, long days and nights of fear and courage, strength and love. But life endures, and together we are stronger. The first rains came, the grass sprouted and birds chirped again. Jaguars walked in search of water, as did the tortoises and anteaters. And in our trees, macaws were perching again. Today, we are what we were yesterday, and will continue to be tomorrow. Life and refuge. Pantanal, Caiman.